Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be reviewing a different kind of shoe. This time it is going to be a more formal kind of shoe. This shoe is made by Thursday Boots. It is called the Statesman. The reason I purchased this shoe is because I needed a shoe for a more formal occasions. Hopefully this shoe turns out to be the one. First, I will go through the unboxing experience. Then I will take an in-depth look at the shoe, and then I will try on the shoe to see how it fits. Stay tuned. So I received the shoe about 5 days after I purchased it. Free shipping, and I bought a belt with the type of leather that matches the shoe. So when I wear the shoe, I will be sure to have a matching belt, because this color of shoe, I do not have a belt that's matching in the color. So let's get this box open. As we can see, it says Thursday Boot Company, ThursdayBoots.com all over the box. Pretty normal box used in shipping. Be careful not to cut the shoebox itself. Alright, we have some writing, some text. It says, "Welcome to Team Thursday. We hope you enjoy." And it also says, "Handcrafted with integrity for whatever the day takes you." Alright, so here is the belt. Wrapped in some paper, and I see it's in a canvas bag. We'll put this to the side. We'll take out the main object with this, which is the shoe itself. Inside is the receipt, and taking a look at this shoebox. It's a decent shoebox. Says Thursday in silver lettering on top. Thursday every day. Boxes has a little bit of wear on it, but that's normal for shipping and for just inventory and all this stuff, movement. Pretty nice box. All right, now we see a shoe case, a shoe sleeve. Says Thursday Every Day, Season 1. I'm not sure what Season 1 means. Maybe it might be, has to do with some type of version of the shoe, I'm guessing. It's a pretty nice shoe bag. Put that to the side. Remove the wrapping paper. Alright, here's a shoe. It's pretty nice. I'm seeing a little bit of dust on this shoe, so I think I need to take a horsehair brush to this shoe. Alright guys, so I'm back with a horsehair brush. When I opened this shoe, the shoe honestly was a little dusty. So I would like to just remove the dust and see how it looks. You probably can't see the dust, but there's a thin layer of dust on this. So I'm going to take a horsehair brush, and I'm just going to brush off all this dust, and hopefully we will get a better look at this leather. And already, as I'm brushing this shoe, the leather color starts to come out. All right, so the shoe is actually pretty nice. For its price point, I'd say it's pretty worth it. It is around $180. And then the style of shoe is called a derby. And correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm not a dress shoe expert, but derbies usually have this part sewn on top over the vamp. But then again, please correct me because I'm not an expert on dress shoes. But I wanted something more casual than an Oxford, which this part is sewn differently. So derbies are a little more casual, so I can wear these with jeans if I wanted to. Now I like this leather. It's a brown leather. It looks very casual. I can wear it with various types of outfits. And I like the rubber sole because it's very durable. And what I like about classically made shoes, and what I mean by that is having some type of welt on it here, is that if the shoe ever gets worn down on the sole, I can replace the sole and then the shoe would be like new again. I can put another rubber sole, or I could put a leather sole. So that is an upside to having a reconstructible shoe like this one. The leather is called a Chromexo Horween leather. It is Goodyear welted, like I said. The inside is full glove leather lining interior, so it's smooth. We have a cork bed midsole, so inside the shoe there's actually cork that's in the middle between the footbed and the sole, which is actually I heard is very comfortable. We have a leather welt, which is this band of leather that goes all the way around the shoe, which actually connects the shoe sole with the upper of the shoe itself. We have a leather heel stack. So this is an actual leather heel stack, which is very good for this price range. This shoe is handcrafted, so this is a handmade shoe, and this is what I enjoy about these classically made shoes, is that they're made by hand, and there's something I like about shoes that are made by hand and classically built. Now let's take a look at the matching belt. So here's a little sticker. I'll remove this. All right. Now we have a little belt case. It says Thursday Boot Co. I'm gonna open that. All right. So the belt comes with a card. So here's a card. It says Thursday. Thursday products are handcrafted in small batches using only the highest quality materials. Natural color and texture variations will occur. This is what makes the material we use and the products we design both distinct and beautiful. So if I can look closely at this, someone actually hand signed this with an actual pen. Very nice. So the belt is wrapped in plastic. We're gonna open it up and remove the plastic and see how the leather looks. So this belt, I believe, I can actually wear with jeans or wear with a type of more formal wear. It's much nicer than just a casual belt. Here is the belt buckle, and here is the leather. Very nice. The leather is supple, it's soft, yet very thick and durable. I would say this is a pretty good quality belt. This belt was $80, so it wasn't necessarily cheap and not necessarily too expensive, but it's a little higher than what I would usually pay for a belt, but I see what I'm getting, what I'm paying for. So this is a very nice belt. And the leather does match the shoes, as you can see. So this would work together perfectly. Okay guys, so this is the second shoe I just pulled out. There is still a little bit of dust. I don't know if you can see it, maybe right here. As you can see, I moved my finger and there's a little bit of dust. Let's brush that and see how it looks afterwards. All right, looks very nice. Okay, so this is just an outfit example. I'm wearing my new Thursday boots, Statesman, with some jeans, tucked in the shirt so you can see the belt which matches the shoes. Also, I'm wearing a gray and blue gingham shirt. This outfit is very casual. It's a little more formal since I'm tucking in the shirt. I can go even more formal if I'm wearing chinos or khakis, and I can even wear this with a sports jacket or a blazer. But again, I was looking for shoes just to fit this type of dress, this style, and I'm very satisfied with Thursday boots, and their shoe line is very nice. So I'd recommend, if you're looking for a high quality leather boot or shoe, I suggest you to check out Thursday boots. Thank you for watching.